Have you ever seen a dog reverse sneeze? Surprisingly, this odd habit isn't just cute. It reveals fascinating insights about our body's protective mechanisms. When an animal reverse sneezes, a sudden rapid inhalation occurs, often due to irritants in the nasal passages. This involuntary action may seem silly, but it serves a critical purpose, clearing out unwanted particles. As the throat constricts, the soft palate elevates, producing that comical honking sound. Imagine if humans could experience a similar reaction. Understanding this whimsical yet important bodily response could change how we perceive our respiratory system's resilience. So next time you hear a dog reverse sneeze, remember, beneath that funny sound lies a remarkable struggle within their body.